Want to kill everybody in the world. Okay, so anyways, hello. I've been having drama. Girl drama. And none of that drama where you go, oh my god, this bitch right here is trying to start something. No. No, none of that. It's like the drama where you like someone and that person doesn't like you back. Yep. And I put myself out there. Didn't work out. Nope. But the point is, I'm over that person. Hopefully that person sees this video. And hopefully we can be friends again, I guess. But I don't think so. I don't know, because if we become friends and I start talking to her, I feel like I'm gonna like her again. And I really don't wanna start that again. Oh, my shirt. Angry Birds. I smell bacon. And I really don't want to start that again. So I guess we have to have a talk or something. And if that person sees this video, well then message me or call or whatever. Basically, person like someone else. Well, like, I feel like I'm kind of over her and like I'm numb towards the person now. So I don't know. So we need to talk, I guess.